achieve an A* in your IGCSE exams, focus on 3 key strategies. First, create a study schedule that breaks down your subjects into manageable chunks. Consistency is crucial. Dedicate specific hours each day to each subject. Second, practice past papers. They're gold mines for understanding the exam format and the types of questions you'll face. Time yourself to simulate real exam conditions. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of active learning. Instead of just reading, engage with the material, teach it to someone else, create mind maps, or quiz yourself. Remember, it's not just about hard work, it's about smart work. Stay organized, stay motivated, and you'll be on your way to that A star.